Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best protein urine test is probably one of the most convenient ways to monitor your kidney health from the comfort of your home. Proteinuria, or protein in your urine, can signal potential issues, and this test offers a quick and easy method to check. In this video, we'll dive into how these tests work, what to look for, and how they can empower you to take control of your health. Number 5. Health Metric Urine Test Strips, Home Health Kit. This kit allows you to conveniently monitor your kidney and liver health from home. It provides a simple way to assess your kidney function and detect potential issues. The test strips help you analyze your urine for various health indicators. This includes checking for urinary protein, UTIs, hydration levels, and more. It's a comprehensive way to understand your health. This kit includes UTI test strips for both men and women. You can easily perform a UTI test at home and get reliable results. It's a convenient way to monitor your urinary health. The at-home testing kit is designed for ease of use and accurate results. It allows you to take control of your health with a simple and effective testing method. The results are easy to understand. The Health Metric Kit provides reliable results for both kidney and UTI tests. It's a valuable tool for monitoring your health and well-being. You can trust this product for accurate results. We created this product with your convenience and well-being in mind. If you're unhappy with your purchase for any reason, we will send you a gift to show our gratitude. What we like. This kit is your all-in-one solution for monitoring kidney, liver, and urinary health. It offers convenience and peace of mind with its comprehensive testing capabilities. If you're looking for a proactive way to manage your health from home, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. So easy to use with the app. It's perfect for testing at home without having to always visit the doctors. The app is easy to use and keeps track of previous tests to track progress. Was so easy and results in 60 seconds. Number 4. Just Fitter UTI Test Strips. Want to know more about your body? This product offers a simple, fast, and accurate way to get results. It helps you understand your health better. Checking urine is a safe and easy way to learn about your body. This helps you plan what to eat and drink, and what to avoid. This product helps you test your body before an infection takes hold. It checks for leukocytes and nitrites, common indicators of a UTI. Monitoring these can help you identify an infection early. UTIs are frequent, especially in women. Many women experience at least one UTI in their lifetime. This product can help you monitor your health. It's simple to use. Test with your second urination of the day. Just dip the strip for a few seconds, remove excess urine, and compare the colors. Your health is our priority. High-quality strips are sensitive to heat and light. If there's an issue, contact us for a replacement. What we like. This product helps you understand your body better by detecting early signs of UTIs. It's designed for simplicity and accuracy, making it easy to use. If you want a quick and reliable way to monitor your urinary health, this is the one for you. What people say. The test strips are easy to use. The results are easy to read. The product is accurate. Number 3. Life 204 in 1 UTI Test Strips. Are you experiencing UTI symptoms? This test strip is the only full panel test available. It checks for leukocytes, nitrite, pH, and protein. This test includes a protein test to determine the severity of your UTI. The presence of protein in your urine can indicate a more serious infection. Get 50 tests for a low price. Don't be fooled by other expensive alternatives. This is a cost-effective solution for your needs. Avoid expensive and unnecessary appointments. This test helps you monitor your condition and see if your medication is working. Get results in just 60 seconds. The instructions are simple and user-friendly, with a color chart for easy interpretation. You can get the result quickly. What we like. This test offers a full panel analysis, going beyond basic UTI detection. It includes a test for protein, indicating UTI severity. If you need a comprehensive and quick assessment of your urinary health, you should consider this product. What people say. Clear results and simple to use. Helps catch issues early without guessing. Handy to keep around just in case, and I like that there are 2 foils to keep them fresh. The test strips are very easy to use and interpret, though I peed into a cup and dipped the strip instead of trying to hold it in my stream. I had the results in 60 seconds. As a retired family doc, I can confirm that the test strip uses the same reliable technology as the strips I used in practice. The 4-in-1 full panel UTI test strips are easy to use and provide accurate results. They arrived quickly, making them a convenient option for at-home testing. A reliable choice for monitoring urinary health. Number 2. 10-parameter urine test strips, 150 cnt. This product offers a simple, precise, and rapid method for urine testing. It provides results within seconds, making it convenient for users. The test strips are designed for quick and efficient analysis. The strips are capable of testing for 10 different parameters. These include LEU, NIT, Pro, pH, BAL, URO, KET, SG, UMALB, and ASC. This comprehensive testing provides a detailed analysis of the urine. The test strips come in sealed pouches, ensuring their integrity and accuracy. This packaging helps to maintain the quality of the strips. Each pouch contains a set of strips ready for use. Included is a detailed instruction guide with a large color chart. This guide helps users understand the testing process and interpret the results accurately. The color chart aids in easy result comparison. You'll receive quality support from our licensed laboratory scientist. They are available to answer any questions you may have. This support ensures you get the most out of the product. It's normal for pads on unused strips to be colored, except for leukocyte and nitrite pads, which are white. This is a standard feature of the product. The color of the pads indicates the status of the test. What we like. This product provides a comprehensive overview of your health by testing for 10 different parameters. It delivers results in seconds with an easy-to-follow guide. If you want a detailed analysis of your urine with quick results, this is the product for you. What people say. Easy to use. Allows you to test for evidence of various abnormalities that can show up in urine. Was able to use and understand quickly. Good, easy to read instructions with explanations of what the readings mean. I have caught a UT in myself and my mom using these. They sometimes don't work, but I usually just use 2 strips to test and compare them. Number 1. URS 9-in-1 urine test strips. This test strip detects and measures 9 key parameters. It provides a thorough assessment of your overall health and wellness. The parameters include leukocytes, nitrite, and protein. This helps in the early identification of potential urinary tract infections. It also helps detect kidney disorders and liver dysfunction. You can monitor your health with this test. The test strip helps monitor kidney function. It also assesses urine acid-alkaline balance. It provides accurate measurements of protein levels and pH. The urine analysis strip has a long shelf life. You can confidently use it within the specified time frame. It ensures you have reliable results. Get a comprehensive health assessment with this product. It is easy to use and provides important health insights. Take control of your health today. What we like. This test provides a comprehensive analysis of your urine, including key parameters for overall health. It enables early detection of potential issues, giving you peace of mind. If you want a reliable and long-lasting solution for monitoring your health, this is the product for you. What people say. I found it useful to keep these around. Women in perimenopause can get symptoms that feel a bit like a UTI, so it's nice to be able to check at home and not overthink it. Use them often as I have OAB and just want to make sure when symptoms are bad it's not a UTI, and have always gotten accurate results, and they are easy to read. Results are correct, colors are on the bottle itself to match them to make sure my urine looks okay. I found this urine test strip easy to use as you just have to set up a timer for the different parameters. It comes with a flat pamphlet so you can easily match up the colors at the set time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.